Oh, yeah. I'm not going
If you're a lady, you should probably tie your hair back somehow.
Alright, so we're gonna how should I have that? Here's your hair. Alright. Oh my god.
Hey, you want to be more good?
I'm going up there. Hi, Daniel.
This looks disgusting.
That looks delicious.
Alright, today's game, we're going to have a little car. If you hear me clap once, you hear me clap twice. Alright, today's game is going to involve some little Matchbox cars. And the objective is you have to move them with your tongue.
It's actually hot.
But it's a relay race, so once this dude, player one, two at a time, they're going to drive down right with their car, and he's going to push it along through the disgusting little condiment road we're going to call it.
Wait, we have to touch our tongue to where other people's tongues are touched?
Well, everybody's got their own personal car though.
But no.
You gotta set it up.
That's weird.
Alright? Once he gets down, he's done, the new player starts, and has to push it back.
Wait, what?
Alright?
What?
So how do we get down here? You gotta go back. So how do we win? I have to use that same car? No, your car.
This is the guys, and the guys go back, and then who's over left, you gotta
With your
gotta finish it off.
Alright,
Alright?
you want me to go first? Yeah. You go first. You want me to go? Yeah, you go first. Okay. On this side? Go on this side.
Alright, here we go.
No, you're on that side.
Oh, she's got a BMW, that's gonna suck it up.
I'm gonna go. Alright.
So people, hey, who's the middle one?
Me!
You're the middle one?
Yes.
Which lane are you gonna take?
I'm gonna take that lane.
The left?
Yeah.
You're gonna take the right? Right, it's left lane against right lane.
Oh yeah.
Wait,
Alright.
I'm
Wait, so
going.
who's going over there?
Those three are on a team and us.
You guys are. You're on this side.
Really?
See, so you're on Jenny's team,
Okay.
and you're on Katie's team.
Okay, so those three are team.
You two are on a team. When I say go.
Are you right now?
When I say go. Yeah, see, on your mark. Remember? Listen up. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Go Jenny! Go Jenny! Go Jenny!
It's on the road! It's on the road! It's on the road! As of there! As of there!
Oh, crap!
Yeah, we failed.
Your tongue is the driver.
Jenny, it's all over your sweatshirt!
That's when you're going over for that. Oh, that sucks.
Are you there yet? Is that technically there?
Okay.
Yeah! Come on, Nick.
Okay, I'm walking this way.
Down on the top of it, like I said.
You gotta be down here.
It's all in the car, though.
Put your car up.
Nice.
Jesse.
Those points are plastic.
Come on, buddy!
I think you're way too talented with your talented.
Jesse, beat me down, I have to get out of here.
You can't get out of this.
Everybody finish.
What are you talking about?
I did win. Boom, boom, boom. There you go.
Push it sideways.
Yummy.
He spun out.
Oh, she's got the
Oh,
spoil.
you just drove over a cliff.
Smell the chocolate.
Oh, you hit a ramp. Come on, ramp it.
Come on, Jesse!
Stop spinning out. That's not helping you. You just drove over a cliff again.
That looks delicious.
Spinning out.
Go Katie! Go Katie!
Oh, you really drove over the cliff this time. And she just drove over a cliff this time. She just killed that driver.
Yay! Jesse's team wins.
No. Don't give it to her.
Nice job, Jim.